Welcome to Word Blenders. I go to the store to buy groceries. I go to the store to buy groceries. I play with my dog in the park every day. I play with my dog in the park every day. We usually meet for coffee in the afternoon. We usually meet for coffee in the afternoon. I cook dinner every night for my family. I cook dinner every night for my family. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I do the dishes after every meal. I do the dishes after every meal. I read a book. I read a book. I spend time with my family after dinner. I spend time with my family after dinner. I do my workout at home. I do my workout at home. I watch TV for about an hour a day. I watch TV for about an hour a day. I play games on my computer. I play games on my computer. I do household chores. I do household chores. I have guitar lessons. I have guitar lessons. I take the dog for a walk. I take the dog for a walk. I check the weather forecast. I check the weather forecast. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. Ifall asleep. Ifall asleep. I wake up at 7:30. I wake up at 7:30.